Good morning, children. We gave a gap of a day for your videos, and I really like the way you the way you narrated the story. It is excellent. It is marvelous. 3 cheers for all class 3 children. But I want more videos. More children should come forward and narrate the stories. Now today we are going to do types of nouns which I think you have already done in class 3 with your Komal ma'am earlier. But since this lesson has a lot of grammar of nouns, so we will continue with the nouns. Nouns are of 4 types. One is common noun, proper noun, collective noun and abstract noun. Now what is common noun? You have already done in class 2 also, in 3 also you have done. Common noun is a noun given to a non-specific person or thing. Like non-specific means any name, place, animal and thing are common noun. Anybody's name, any place, any animal, anything will be a common noun. And you must have played games of name, place and animal things. So common noun could be student, teacher, man, woman, animal, dinosaur, meat, cheese. These are all common nouns. Now what is proper noun? Proper noun refers to a specific person or thing and requires a capital letter. Very important. Now, student doesn't require a capital S, but Himanshi requires a capital H. Ovyan requires a capital O. And Kashvi requires a capital K. Karthik also requires a capital K because it is a proper noun. It is not a common noun. Boy is a common noun and Kashvi is a proper noun. So proper noun is the specific name of a place. Like suppose I say biscuit. Biscuit is a common noun, but crackjack is a proper noun. School is a common noun and Stanford is a proper noun. So Stanford S will always be capital. Mother is a common noun, but Mrs. Paul is a proper noun. Got it? Specific means जब आप किसी को specifically किसी का नाम बुलाते हो तो वो हमेशा capital letter में होता है और वो proper noun होता है. So these were common and proper nouns. Another example, I want to give a lot of examples. Another example I can give about car industry. Now industry is a common noun and Maruti Suzuki is a proper noun. What else? You all think more and you can give me videos of common and proper noun. Lots of videos of common and proper noun. You will be able to understand common and proper noun in a better manner. Now there is another set of nouns that is called collective nouns. Collective nouns are when you group a noun, like family of people, library of books, organization, flock, pile. These are all collective nouns. I think you must have done a little bit of collective nouns also. And then you have abstract noun. Abstract noun means जो भाव है. Abstract means which you can't see, which you can only feel. Abstract मतलब जो concrete नहीं है. Concrete मतलब जो सामने प्रत्यक्ष नहीं है, जो सिर्फ feelings हैं. जैसे कि hunger, भूख, anger, गुस्सा, happiness, खुशी, freedom, आज़ादी. Freedom हम देख सकते हैं? नहीं. हम सुन सकते हैं? नहीं. हम सिर्फ महसूस कर सकते हैं. We can only feel freedom. Ability, intelligence, thought मतलब सोचना. Can we see सोचना? Can we see? Can we feel? We can only feel. So these are all abstract nouns. So there are 4 types of nouns which are discussed in the page which I'll be giving it to you. And what you have to do is you have to actually fill up the whole page, and then I will be giving you one homework for tomorrow which you have to do it in your grammar copy, separate English grammar copy, which you have to make an English grammar copy and start doing the work in that. And everybody has to submit the work, otherwise I will not teach you because all of you are not submitting the work to me. Now this page, have a look. Underline the nouns in this paragraph and write them in the correct columns. Sam was carrying a pile of books. Now Sam will come in, proper noun. Carrying is a verb. Was carrying is a verb. A is an article. Pile of books. Books is a common noun and pile of books is a collective noun. So not books, pile of books will be a collective noun. So Sam and pile of book. As he was coming down the flight of stairs. Now flight of stairs मतलब जब वो सीढ़ियों से नीचे आ रहा था तो ये भी collective noun है. सीढ़ियाँ जब ज़्यादा होती हैं तो हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? Flight of stairs. We don't say straight away stairs. We can say flight of stairs. जब वो काफ़ी सारी सीढ़ियों से नीचे आ रहा था, flight of stairs is a collective noun. His foot slipped and he fell down. He fractured his ankle. Ankle is a common noun and had to stay in bed. Bed again common noun. For a week. Week is also a common noun. Sarah and Lara came to visit him. Sarah and Lara, they are what? They are again proper noun. And they played many games together. Games is also a common noun. So you have to find out common noun, proper noun and collective noun in this column, and you have to fill up the whole column very neatly and show it to me. Then abstract nouns. Read these sentences and note the words in orange. The princess was known for her beauty. Princess किस लिए known थी? अपनी सुंदरता के लिए. So beauty is a collective noun? No. Common noun? No. Proper noun? No. It is an abstract noun. क्या beauty हम सिर्फ feel कर सकते हैं. Okay. We like the king for his intelligence and honesty. हम king को like करते हैं किसके लिए? उसकी intelligence के लिए और उसकी honesty के लिए. उसकी ईमानदारी के लिए और उसकी intelligence के लिए. Intelligence and honesty both are abstract nouns. So the words in abstract nouns are the qualities of people: kindness, bravery, or their feelings, anger, sorrow, or a state, childhood, or an action, charity. All these are abstract nouns. So write the abstract nouns for these words. One is done for you. Sad का sadness, brave का बहादुरी, bravery, clever का क्या होगा बताओ? Intelligent का intelligence, man का manhood, and clever का cleverhood. If I am not wrong, you have to see the book. Okay, you have to see the dictionary, you have to see the you just find out what will be the abstract noun of clever. Now, after doing this page, I will be giving you a video to make for abstract nouns, not for common noun, proper noun or collective noun, abstract nouns. And you have to show also, that is, you have to show that feeling. If it is in anger, show anger. If it is kindness, show kindness. If it is beauty, show beauty. So let me see 10, 12, 15, how many abstract nouns you can show it through videos. This is another work which I am giving you. You will really enjoy doing it. And this time, other children should come on the video. The one who want to do should do, but there should be a bigger list this time. Let me see how many of you do it. Okay? Thank you so much.